Okay, good night. My name is Andres Bolivar. Uh, first of all, I am gonna introduce myself. After that, I am going to talk about my experience trip to when I went to Cancun, um, and then I'm going to give you some tips and things you should do and you should do when you go to Cancun. Well, my name is Andres Bolivar. I live here in Bogota. I'm a student of system engineering, um, and this is the brochure that I made for this class. Well, my travel to Cancun was very pleasant. This is the one of my favorite experience ever. That was the first time I went out of the country and I traveled with my whole family. I think I'm gonna do it someday again, and this is a plan that I have to for my life. Um, some tips that I'm gonna show you for travel to Cancun. It's first you have to use blocker for your skin because it's very sunny. The weather is very sunny all day, and you have to use also an umbrella. It's necessary to stay hydrated all day because you are going to be exposed to the sun, and you have to be you have to keep your stuff near because sometimes it's unsafe and well it's a good idea to keep your things near. Um, Things that you should do and you shouldn't do in Cancun. Well, you should take a lot of pictures with your camera for remember after the trip to share with your family. Uh, you should party with your friends or with the person that you go there. Um, you shouldn't go out alone because, like I said before, it's unsafe for the tourist. And well, and finally, you should live the experience. It's nice and it's beautiful and well, it's that's all. Good night.